Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the main photo and a reference garment into your editor. This gives you target color, texture, and fit. Once loaded, you isolate the subject with a quick mask. Use a lasso or AI selection to save time. Make a duplicate layer so you can always revert. This is crucial. Then align the reference garment roughly over the body using transform, scale, and rotate to match pose and proportions, because accurate alignment prevents later warping artifacts. Now you build the replacement garment on a new layer and use masks to reveal only the areas you want. This keeps edits reversible. Once done, apply localized warps or puppet pin adjustments to hug the body contours. This preserves natural folds. Make sure to blend edges with a soft 1020px feather and sample surrounding skin tones for spill suppression. Then match lighting, selective dodge and burn, small color balance shifts, and a 1/2 stop exposure tweak. Finish by adding final detail layers. Paint micro shadows and highlights where cloth meets skin, and overlay a subtle texture at low opacity to match grain. Once blended, sharpen selectively at 1.15px to restore crispness without halos. Then check overall color and contrast and export a flattened copy. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by lowering the garment layer opacity, refining the mask edge with a 1.2px brush, or reprojecting the reference garment to correct perspective. These steps fix most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.